Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest auto updates and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most awaited SUVs of 2025, the Mahindra Bolero. With its rugged design, powerful engine, and enhanced features, is this the best budget SUV of the year? Let's find out. Bold new design and exterior. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero comes with a refreshed yet familiar look. It retains its boxy, muscular stance but now features a sleeker grille, sharper LED headlights, and stylish alloy wheels. The white color variant looks especially premium, giving the Bolero a modern yet rugged appeal. Mahindra has clearly focused on durability while adding a touch of sophistication. Powerful engine and performance. Under the hood, the new Bolero is powered by a 1.5L M-Hawk diesel engine, delivering improved mileage and torque. With enhanced suspension and a more refined gearbox, it promises a smoother ride even on the toughest roads. Whether you're driving through city streets or off-road terrain, the 2025 Bolero is built to handle it all. Interior upgrades and comfort. Step inside, and you'll notice a significant upgrade in comfort and technology. The new digital instrument cluster, improved infotainment system, and premium upholstery make the driving experience much more enjoyable. Plus, with added safety features like dual airbags, ABS, and rear parking sensors, Mahindra has ensured that the Bolero is safer than ever. Pricing and verdict. The expected price of the 2025 Mahindra Bolero starts at around 10 Indian rupees lakh, making it one of the most affordable and reliable SUVs in its class. With its tough build, improved features, and legendary durability, the Bolero remains a top choice for SUV lovers. Outro. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mahindra Bolero? Will you be getting one? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone Pro for more exciting car and bike reviews. See you in the next video.